Welcome. Let's take a lap around projects and see how it helps you plan and maintain a backlog for your team. Here's the main project we use. It primarily tracks epics of work rather than tasks or bugs to give me a higher level view of everything that's happening in my team. Let's dig into each of these three views. The backlog board allows me to group all my issues according to what stage they're in. It lets me understand at a glance whether I have any bottlenecks coming up. For example, you can currently see that I have many items in review and in my backlog, but not many ready for work, so I need to focus my team on shaping epics. And note, we've got items coming from various repositories in this project. For example, planning project demo is where this issue is located, and then project demo days is where this one is. Now, to ensure that my team is shaping the most important things, let's go to the priority tab. I'm going to go ahead and filter down to just items in our backlog. Now I can review the overall ranking and make edits as needed so that my team can know that they're picking up the next most important thing to shape. This style of board also works great for a first responder or bug workflow. Finally, the size tab allows me to get an overall view of effort. Our work seems pretty balanced across these buckets, but for example, if I had everything in the extra large category, it'd be a wake-up call to potentially rethink our plan and resourcing. If you want to get started with a layout like this for your backlog, it's as easy as going to your projects page and creating a new project and selecting the Team Backlog template. Now all you have to do is add items and you're ready to go. With Bulk Add, I can easily import all open backlog issues directly into this appropriate column. If you're like many teams, you're heavily using labels to categorize and find your issues. So we'll search the backlog label and then add the items that match directly into the backlog column. All that's left is to repeat for the other columns and you're on your way. This is but one way you can set up projects to help manage your backlog. Feel free to experiment with your own custom fields and views to adapt projects to your team's needs.